I think that the most effective way to understand sound is realize how we are connected since we are in the womb. Sound, hearing is the first sense we develop. It should be like around the 20 weeks of gestation. And since that moment, we're so used to use our hearing. We can close our eyes at night, we cannot close our ears unless we intentionally mask the sound using other sounds. So that means that we have a huge connection, a huge information that we can use daily. We can perceive sound at 360 degrees all around us compared to the field of view we have, which is, I think the average should be around 110 degrees. That explains a lot about the power of sound and hearing.